going your way, Philip. Takes Shelley, doesn't it?
So Phil took a half an hour with the chainsaw, took Shelley 3 minutes with a shovel.
I don't know the hard work. I
Yeah,
loosened it off for her.
Show us a victory pose there.
It's got like something's eating the inside out.
Oh, easy, man. I mean, the size of the tree, but the actual amount of wood left in the trunk, not a lot. Not a lot.
Oh, mate, it's so hard. Termites, eh? It's fucking cool.
Split right open, eh?
What are these little black ones? Are they termites?
I saw them earlier on when we were cutting through with the chainsaw. I've no idea. They're either a different type of termite or they're just some sort of mad ant or something. I don't know.
No, they work too fast to be in every
That's right. I'll get it later. Well done. Well done.
They're like running around with eggs and stuff.